If you're tired of FL Studio lagging and crashing, I've got you covered. Let's make FL Studio faster and more reliable. First, let's start with the basics. Your computer's power plan is crucial, especially for laptops. Head to the Windows Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, and select Power Options. By default, it's set to Balanced or Power Saver to save battery. Change it to High Performance or Ultimate Performance if available. This not only speeds up FL Studio, but your entire computer. Now in FL Studio, go to Options, then General Settings. Set the animations to Don't Distract Me to make FL Studio feel faster. In the Audio tab, ensure an ACO driver is selected. Click the buffer length button and increase it to give your PC more time to process sounds. This may increase latency, but unless you're using a MIDI keyboard for melodies, it should be fine. Enable both CPU options for FL Studio to utilize all your CPU cores. Also enable Smart Disable option to disable unused plugins. Here you can lower the resampling quality, which will relieve some of the stress of the CPU's shoulders. The recommended resampling quality is 24, but if you're still having a lot of trouble, you can set it to 16. Now for some production tips to save CPU. If you have a heavy MIDI layer, right-click the track, go to Consolidate Track, and choose From Track Start to export a lighter MIDI version. For large projects with many audio clips, go to Tools, Macros, and Purge Unused Audio Clips to remove unused clips from the playlist. If you want to play it safe, select Unused Patterns using the Picker panel, then decide whether to delete them. With these tricks, you'll notice FL Studio running smoother and faster, even with demanding projects. That's it for making FL Studio faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching.